In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on PowerPoint animation. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, learning how to effectively utilize the zoom feature on PowerPoint can make your presentation more engaging and visually appealing. So let's dive right in and I'll walk you through the steps to achieve this. First things first, let's open Microsoft PowerPoint. This program is where all our magic happens today. It's the canvas for our creative and professional endeavors in crafting presentations. Once you've got PowerPoint open, the next step is to bring up the file you're working on. This could be a new project you're just starting, or an existing presentation you want to add some flair to. Locate your file and open it up. After your file is open and you're looking at your slides, you're going to navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of the PowerPoint toolbar. This tab is basically the treasure chest of PowerPoint. It's where you insert anything from images, charts to, yes, our focus today, zoom animations. Under the Insert tab, you'll find a variety of options, but what we're interested in is the zoom option. Go ahead and click on Zoom. This might seem like just another button, but it's your gateway to making your presentation really stand out. It allows you to dive deeper into specific content you want to highlight, making it more impactful for your audience. Now, within the options that pop up under Zoom, you want to select Summary Zoom. This particular feature is quite powerful as it gives your presentation a polished, navigable overview effect, sort of like a dynamic table of contents that allows your audience to see the bigger picture before zooming in on specific details. Once you've clicked on Summary Zoom, you'll be prompted to choose the pages or slides you wish to include in this zoom effect. This step really allows you to customize your presentation's narrative flow. Take a moment to think about which parts of your presentation would benefit from this closer look. Which points are crucial for your audience to remember or understand in detail. Select a page that you think encapsulates this. After selecting your page or pages, you're going to click on Insert. What happens next is quite fantastic. PowerPoint creates a new slide that includes your selected pages as clickable thumbnails. This not only serves as a great way to introduce your presentation or a new section, but also allows your audience to get an interactive summary view. It might seem like a small addition, but integrating a zoom animation into your PowerPoint presentation can significantly enhance how your content is perceived. It adds a layer of sophistication and interactivity that plain slides lack. Moreover, it's a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged as it introduces an element of surprise and interaction that typical presentations often miss. Here are a few tips to consider as you're working with the zoom feature in PowerPoint. Firstly, think about the flow of your presentation. Using the zoom feature can help guide your audience's attention, but it should be used strategically. You don't want to overdo it and detract from your main message. Secondly, customize the appearance of your zoom effect. PowerPoint allows you to tweak how these zoom transitions happen, so play around with the options to find what best suits your presentation style. Lastly, practice your presentation with these zoom animations. While it's a fantastic feature, it does change how you navigate through your presentation. Practicing will ensure a smooth delivery when it matters most. To recap, we opened Microsoft PowerPoint, selected the file we wish to enhance, navigated to the Insert tab, selected the Zoom feature, chose Summary Zoom, picked our key pages, and finally inserted them, creating a dynamic overview slide. These steps empower you to transform a standard presentation into an interactive, memorable experience for your audience. By now, you should feel confident in using the zoom animation feature in PowerPoint to highlight important information and engage your audience. Remember, the goal is not just to present information, but to make it resonate with your audience. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to creating presentations that not only inform, but also inspire. That's all for today's tutorial on how to zoom in on PowerPoint animation. I hope you found these instructions helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your presentation skills.